Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best travel fins for snorkeling 2025, carefully selected to provide comfort, portability, and performance for snorkelers on the go. Whether you're heading to tropical reefs or exploring coastal waters, these fins are designed to enhance your snorkeling experience without weighing you down. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Gray Tever Snorkel Swim Fins. The Gray Tever Snorkel Swim Fins are designed for ultimate comfort and performance with adjustable straps and quick-release buckles, making them easy to put on and take off while ensuring a perfect fit every time. Their open heel and flame-shaped mesh instep design reduce water resistance and improve breathability, minimizing fatigue and preventing cramps during long swims. Made with durable, lightweight materials including TPR foot pockets and PP blades, these fins offer flexibility and anti-deformation qualities for barefoot comfort. The non-slip bottom adds safety for wet surfaces. Ideal for travel, they come with a quick-dry mesh bag and hard plastic inserts to maintain their shape in storage. Plus, Gray Tever provides reliable 24-hour customer service to ensure your satisfaction. Number 2. Arena Silicone Swim Fins. The Arena Silicone Swim Fins are an essential training tool for professional and competitive swimmers looking to enhance their leg technique and underwater power. Crafted from durable, long-life silicone, these fins feature a sloping surface and hydrodynamic slits that help generate faster, more controlled kicks. Designed specifically for left and right feet with an open heel, they provide excellent ankle flexibility, enabling powerful downward kicks and swift upward movements. The short blade maximizes forward thrust, while side grooves and bottom rib notches improve stability and speed. PVC-free and optimized for comfort, these fins reduce the risk of blisters, making them perfect for intensive swim training sessions. Number 3. Kurtz Silicone Scuba Diving Fins. The Kurtz Silicone Scuba Diving Fins are designed for ultimate comfort and convenience, featuring an adjustable open heel design that fits a wide range of sizes, perfect for sharing with family or friends. The open-toe design prevents chafing while ensuring a snug fit. These short fins are lightweight and compact, easily fitting into mesh bags or luggage, making them an excellent travel companion. Built with optimal flexibility and an anti-slip sole, they reduce cramps and fatigue while maximizing speed and distance with minimal effort. Adjustable straps with easy click buckles make slipping them on and off effortless. Durable and comfortable, these fins are suitable for both scuba diving and snorkeling, especially when paired with swim socks. Plus, each pair comes with an extra strap and a quick-dry mesh bag for hassle-free storage and maintenance, backed by reliable customer service for replacements or refunds. Number 4. Odawaving Adjustable Open Heel Snorkel Fins. The Odawaving Adjustable Open Heel Snorkel Fins are designed for maximum versatility and comfort, featuring an open heel design that fits a wide range of sizes, perfect for sharing among family and friends. Equipped with quick-release buckles, these fins allow you to set the strap length once and easily slip them on and off without constant adjustments. Lightweight, compact, and flexible, they fit effortlessly in mesh bags or luggage, making them ideal for travel, beach explorations, or snorkeling vacations. Made from durable TPR and PP materials, the soft foot pockets provide barefoot comfort or can accommodate dive booties for added protection and warmth. Their scientifically designed fan-shaped blades deliver powerful propulsion while reducing fatigue, and the non-slip shadow design on the soles ensures secure footing on slippery surfaces. Number 5. Almer Adjustable Open Heel Scuba Diving Fins. The Almer Adjustable Open Heel Scuba Diving Fins are designed for comfort, versatility, and travel convenience. Featuring an open heel design with adjustable straps and easy click buckles, these fins fit a wide range of sizes, making them perfect for sharing among family and friends. The open-toe design prevents chafing while providing a snug, secure fit. Lightweight and compact, they easily pack into mesh bags or luggage, and each fin includes extra padding to maintain shape during storage. Crafted from durable polypropylene with an anti-slip sole, they offer the perfect balance of flexibility and support to reduce cramps and fatigue, allowing you to swim efficiently with minimal effort. Whether snorkeling or scuba diving, these comfortable fins ensure a reliable fit. Just slip on swim socks if needed. Plus, every pair comes with an extra strap for added security, backed by responsive customer service offering refunds or replacements if needed.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.